Hi everyone, so welcome back to Art with Mrs. Bodden. Today we're going to draw some elf legs with some feet. Now, I've moved myself in my classroom, so hopefully my lights don't turn off on me again this time. So we're going to draw some elf legs, and then you get to color them on your own. Remember, crayons are great, color pencils are good, markers are good, all of that will work. Other than that, you need a white piece of paper, a pencil, possibly an eraser, and then your colors. And I'm going to turn to my other camera and I'll see you in a moment. Okay, so today we want our paper going the tall way again so that we can make sure we have long spaces for our legs and our feet. So we're going to fold, sorry about that, I accidentally touched a button. So we're going to fold our paper in half, bottom to top, line up your edges, make them as nice and pretty as you can, crease it so we got that folded. Then you're going to open it up. You're going to fold it in half side to side. Crease it. And go ahead and open it again. We're going to find our middle because right now we're going to go up from middle. So we're going to come up about halfway to the top of our paper from our middle. We're going to draw a rectangle, but we want to kind of round off its edges. So we're going to draw a rectangle. I'm going to start out with the bottom. It's going to go most of the way across my paper. Then I'm going to come up a little bit. We want those lines to be as close to parallel or the same as we can. I'm going to round out my corners. And then I'm going to do the same on this side. I'm just going to round out my corners, bring it down. Then from here, we're going to come in just a little bit on the right, and we're just going to draw a line straight up. Or almost straight up. Then we're going to come in on the left and do the same thing. So that's the bottom of our elf body. So now we're going to come down and we're going to draw our elf shoes for starters. We're going to come all the way down to the bottom. We're going to come down here, and we're going to come part way up. So here's my middle folds. I'm going to come about halfway up from there. And I'm going to make two kind of curvy V's. They're going to look kind of like a bird. So I have one on the right, and one on the left. It's going to be about the same spot. So two curvy V's. We're going to draw the bottom heel first. So I'm going to curve slightly down, and then I'm going to round out the heel. I'm going to do the same on the other side. Curve it. Round it. Now, if they're not equal, that's fine. Go ahead and add some more to the other one. Erase what you don't like. Now we're going to curve the front, and I'm going to do that on both of them. Then we're going to come out and curve up for our toe. Come out, curve up for our toe. And then our bottom. This is the heel. We want that to curve up, and then we're going to come down and curve up to our toe. This one I need to extend a little bit more, and now I can come down and curve up towards my toe. Now notice, I didn't connect those. It's because I'm going to put a circle right here to connect. I'm going to put a circle on the other side. I'm going to bring this guy down just a little bit. Now I'm going to draw a circle to connect them. And those you could make into jingle bells. So you could color them yellow and make them into bells. Okay, next we're going to draw two straight lines down to our shoes. So, drawing two straight lines. Then I'm going to go to the other side and I'm going to draw two. Okay, that one's not so straight. That one kind of wiggled. Straight lines. And then we're going to go lines across. It's easy to keep these the same if you do them at the same. If you don't do them at the same time, you end up with ones that are kind of not straight. They don't line up. This way is a little bit easier. Okay, now we've got elf legs. Problem is though, right now is they're floating. So we need to give him some snow to stand on. So, simple way to do that. Come up by each of his toes. Let's give him kind of a curvy ground. Nothing too bad. in the middle, you kind of curve it in and up. You want to make it look like he's standing on a hill. If you don't like that, which I get it, you don't have to. You can erase it and kind of draw me more of a curve. There you got it. There's our elf shoes. Or not our elf shoes, our elf legs, I should say. Go ahead and give them some color. You could do them red, green, and white. You could change it up and make yours a little bit more colorful. You can make your elf pink, purple, blue, green, your choice. So there you have it, our fun elf legs. I will see you guys soon. Bye.